In a world where the daily grind can feel like an endless treadmill, a transformative movement is reshaping the way we view retirement. Say hello to the FIRE movement, a journey towards financial independence and early retirement. Welcome back to Smart Finance HQ. In this video, we're diving deep into the heart of the FIRE movement. We'll explore the principles, share the numbers needed, and provide you with a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to help you embark on your own path to financial independence and early retirement. The FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early, movement ignited in the early 1990s and gained momentum through the early 21st century. The roots of FIRE can be traced back to the 1992 book Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez, which laid the foundation for the movement's principles. Over time, with the advent of the internet, online forums, blogs, and social media, like-minded individuals began to share their journeys towards financial independence and early retirement. The movement encourages adherents to prioritize financial prudence, smart investments, and frugality, fostering a community of people seeking to break free from the traditional notion of a lifelong career in exchange for a more intentional and financially liberated life. Let's embark on a journey to understand the core principles that underlie the FIRE movement. These principles are the bedrock upon which your journey to financial independence is built. 1. Financial discipline. First and foremost, we have financial discipline. Financial discipline is the bedrock of the FIRE, Financial Independence, Retire Early movement. It entails a steadfast commitment to managing one's finances with precision and purpose. To succeed in FIRE, individuals must cultivate the discipline to create and adhere to a strict budget. This involves meticulously tracking income, expenses, and savings, ensuring that a substantial portion of their earnings is consistently allocated towards saving and investing for the future. Financial discipline also encompasses the ability to resist impulsive spending on non-essential items, prioritizing needs over wants. It involves making informed financial choices, continuously monitoring progress, and adapting plans as necessary. This discipline empowers individuals to build a robust financial foundation that can lead to early retirement and financial independence. 2. Embracing frugality. Embracing frugality is a cornerstone of the FIRE movement. IT represents a conscious choice to live with financial prudence and mindfulness. Those pursuing FIRE prioritize frugality by scrutinizing their spending habits, opting for cost-effective alternatives, and making thoughtful financial decisions. Embracing frugality involves distinguishing between needs and wants, consistently seeking ways to cut unnecessary expenses, and avoiding a culture of consumerism. Frugality goes beyond mere thriftiness. It signifies a lifestyle that is sustainable and intentionally minimalist. FIRE enthusiasts often find joy and fulfillment in simplifying their lives, reducing materialistic desires, and finding contentment in life's simpler pleasures. By embracing frugality, individuals can direct more of their income towards savings and investments, accelerating their journey towards financial independence and early retirement. 3. Maximizing income streams. Maximizing income is the rocket fuel for your journey to financial independence. It involves actively seeking opportunities to boost one's earnings beyond traditional employment. FIRE enthusiasts recognize that increasing income accelerates their path to financial independence and early retirement. To maximize income streams, individuals often engage in side hustles, take on freelance work, or even embark on entrepreneurial ventures. These additional sources of income not only increase their earning potential but also provide a safety net in the event of unexpected financial challenges. Maximizing income streams allows FIRE followers to save more, invest more, and reach their financial goals more swiftly. It's a proactive approach that empowers individuals to take control of their financial future and achieve the freedom they desire. 4. The art of smart investing. The last principle is the art of smart investing. FIRE enthusiasts understand that saving alone isn't sufficient. Your money should work hard for you. They often turn to low-cost index funds and well-researched investment strategies. The goal of smart investing in the FIRE movement is to make money work for you, generating passive income streams that can support an early retirement. By adhering to sound investment strategies, individuals in the FIRE movement can build wealth over time and secure their financial future. The math used in the FIRE, financial independence, retire early, movement is a bit more nuanced and individualized than a simple rule like the 4% rule. FIRE followers typically calculate their retirement goals based on their specific lifestyle and financial plans. Here's a simplified outline of the math used in the FIRE movement. Annual expenses. Determine your expected annual expenses in early retirement. This includes costs for housing, utilities, food, healthcare, entertainment, travel, and any other regular expenses. Withdrawal rate. Decide on a sustainable withdrawal rate. While the 4% rule is commonly used as a starting point, some FIRE adherents prefer lower withdrawal rates, such as 3% or 3.5%, to increase the safety margin and extend the lifespan of their portfolio. Retirement portfolio target. Calculate the size of the retirement portfolio you need to support your annual expenses. This is done by dividing your annual expenses by your chosen withdrawal rate. For example, if you plan to spend $40,000 per year and use a 4% withdrawal rate, you would need a portfolio of $1 million. Time to achieve FIRE. Determine how long it will take to accumulate the required portfolio size. This calculation depends on your current savings, ongoing contributions, and expected investment returns. For example, if you have $500,000 saved and you're saving $40,000 per year while earning an average annual return of 7%, it would take you approximately 12 years to reach a $1 million portfolio. Contingency planning. Many FIRE enthusiasts incorporate a margin of safety by planning for unexpected expenses, market fluctuations, or other contingencies. They may also include health insurance and other essential costs in their calculations. Annual inflation adjustments. Consider how you will adjust your annual expenses for inflation over the course of your retirement. You may want to increase your withdrawal amount each year to maintain your purchasing power. It's important to remember that the FIRE movement is highly individualized, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Your specific financial circumstances, goals, and risk tolerance will influence your calculations. Now, let's take a deep dive into a detailed, step-by-step guide to achieving FIRE. These actionable steps will set you on the right path towards your financial independence. Step 1 in your FIRE journey is to establish crystal-clear financial goals. This step is crucial because it serves as the foundation for your entire financial plan. When you set specific and well-defined objectives, you give your financial journey direction and purpose. The first question you need to ask yourself is, what are you saving for? For many in the FIRE movement, the answer is early retirement, but it can also be financial security or a specific dream, such as starting a business, traveling the world, or pursuing a passion project. Clarity in your financial goals provides several benefits such as motivation, measurability, focus, strategic planning, and lifestyle alignment. Your clear financial goals act as your guiding star. They give you a sense of purpose, direction, and a powerful reason to commit to the principles of financial discipline, frugality, maximizing income streams, and smart investing that the FIRE movement advocates. Without clear goals, it's challenging to stay motivated and make the necessary financial decisions that will lead you to financial independence and early retirement. Step 2. Craft a detailed budget. Keep a watchful eye on your expenses and allocate a substantial portion of your income to savings and investments. A meticulous budget is your strongest tool. In the FIRE movement, your budget is more than just a financial document, it's your roadmap to financial independence. It empowers you to make conscious choices about how you use your income to achieve your goals. By keeping a watchful eye on your expenses, prioritizing savings and investments, and maintaining a meticulous budget, you'll be well equipped to stay on the path to early retirement and financial freedom. Step 3. Cultivate multiple income streams. Whether it's a side hustle, diverse investments, or passive income sources, this step will not only increase your earning potential but also fast-track your journey to financial independence. By diversifying your sources of income, you create a robust financial ecosystem that not only supports your early retirement dreams but also offers greater financial security and peace of mind. Step 4. Invest strategically. Dive into the world of investment strategies, diversify your portfolio, and explore tax-efficient options. Your money will then start working for you. The essence of strategic investing in the FIRE movement is to make informed and calculated decisions that maximize your investment returns while minimizing unnecessary costs and risks. By adopting a strategic approach, your money has the potential to grow efficiently and contribute to your financial independence and early retirement goals. Step 5. Monitor and adapt. Regularly review your financial plan, adapt to changing circumstances, and stay committed to your FIRE journey. In essence, monitor and adapt in the FIRE movement means remaining proactive and responsive to changes and challenges that life and the financial journey may present. It's about maintaining the agility to adjust your plan, stay committed to your goals, and ultimately reach financial independence and early retirement on your own terms. In the world of FIRE, the path to financial independence is well lit by the principles of discipline, frugality, income maximization, and smart investing. You can kickstart your journey to financial independence by setting clear goals, crafting a meticulous budget, building diverse income streams, investing wisely, and maintaining a vigilant watch over your financial plan. To help you in your journey, we've linked a couple of our favorite budgeting and investing tools in the description below. Click on the links to check them out. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Join the FIRE movement and seize control of your financial future. Thank you for tuning into Smart Finance HQ, and remember, early retirement is not just a dream, it's an achievable goal.